So, what's going on, people? Today we are going to do a quick comparison. On the left, SoundCore Select 4 Go, and on the right, JBL Go 3. I didn't get the 4 version, but nevertheless, the price is pretty similar, so let's check it out. Let's see who's better. Dimensions-wise, you can see the SoundCore is a little bit bigger, a little bit rounder. All the functions are on the top. Here it's separated. But pretty comparable speakers. I wouldn't say that either of them are much more better than the other. But I have a feeling that the SoundCore will win. Tell me what you think in the comment and let's start. So, starting off, the speakers are at around waist level, around a meter and something from me. And both speakers are isolated. I can say that the JBL isolation is better naturally because it delivers less sound to the surface. But nevertheless, the speaker has some more features than the isolation, of course. You can see this. Now we are working at 60% volume. I think it's right for both speakers. And let's connect. So the JBL is connect. And starting off with the JBL. Select 4. SoundCore has a warmer sound, bigger, but less accurate. Back to JBL. back to the SoundCore. So this is it, guys. I'll tell you what I'm thinking. Let me know in the comment what you think. I think the SoundCore sounds bigger, more ambient, less clear. I would say that the sound on the JBL is more, let's say, clean. But here you get more ambient, something that the JBL as a small speaker can provide. But here, although it's a small speaker, the SoundCore, it does provide some ambience, some bigger sound somehow. The JBL definitely has some more defined bass, not lower, defined bass. But overall, if you want a cleaner sound, go for the JBL, more precise maybe. If you want a more ambient, I think it's more, I would say it's more powerful than the Anchor does give the solutions. Both are pretty good speakers. Let me know in the comment what you prefer. And I'll see you next time in the next video. By the way, if you want me to do this check on the JBL Go 4, this comparison, let's say if I'll get 100 likes in 2 weeks of this video running, then I'll buy the JBL Go 4 and we'll do a comparison with the SoundCore as well. So this is it, guy. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye for now. Have fun.